There's a cat in the park. She eats an apple every day. The book on the desk is interesting. Why were three different articles used in these sentences? What's the difference between a, an, and the? Let's start with a and an. Both of them are used before singular nouns. But a is used before a singular noun that starts with a consonant sound. An is used before a singular noun that starts with a vowel sound. Here are the examples. This is a doll. This is an orange. I saw a bird flying. I have an apple. What's the difference between a, an, and the? A or an is used before general nouns when we're talking about any of one thing, but the is used before specific nouns. A dog is a loyal animal. We use a dog because it refers to any dogs in general. The sun is shining brightly. There is just one sun in the world, so it's specific. A or an is unknown and not specific in our mind. But the is known. Both the speaker and the listener know it. He needs an eraser. It means he needs any eraser. Doesn't matter which. Please pass me the book on the desk. In this sentence, both the speaker and the listener know what book it is. When we talk about something for the first time, we use a or an. But when we talk about the same thing after that, we use the. This is a flower. We say a flower because this is the first time we're talking about it. The flower is red. This is the second time we're using it, so we say the flower. A or an is just before singular nouns, but the is before singular and plural nouns. She has a peach in her hand. There is only one peach in her hand, so we use a peach. We ate the peaches from the tree. There are a lot of peaches, and we should use the. Practice. Choose the correct answer.